Hello guys, my name is Siddharth Varde and this is C++ Mat2 Answer2. First question is explain what is an abstract class and why we should use the abstract class. Okay, so an abstract class is nothing but a class that has an pure virtual function, and any virtual function that has no body is a pure virtual function. So this is the example of pure virtual function. It's a virtual function but without the body. It's a pure virtual function, and any class that implements that has a pure virtual function inside it is an abstract class. So this player abstract class is a abstract class. Okay, so why we should use an abstract class? So first of all, we cannot create an object of a abstract class. So whichever if we want to create an object out of that abstract class, what we need to do is we need to inherit that abstract class and then implement that pure virtual method or abstract method inside that class, and then we need to create an object of that child class. Okay, so this is the only way to create an object of a not exactly the object of parent class like the abstract class, but to implement it's a way where we make sure that any child class that inherits from this abstract class must have a method named attack and with no parameter that returns void. So we bind our child classes of this abstract classes to have those methods. So in this case, I make sure that any class that inherits a player abstract class so will have an attack functionality, so they can have their own attack. This another player can implement an attack functionality of its own, and then third class that inherits from it can implement its attack functionality of its own, like different functionalities, right? They all can perform different attacks, but they all have is attack method with that is void as the return type and takes no parameter. Okay, so that is the use of abstract class, where we say and the another thing is we can create a pointer of the abstract class and then point towards its child classes, and call the methods that were implemented inside those child classes. Like, we can call the methods of that child classes. So this is the reason we should use abstract classes. So we can bind our players like the child classes to have certain functionalities, but we do not bind them what do they do when they are implementing those functionalities. I'll give an example later. Okay, then what is a pure abstract class? So pure abstract class is nothing but a class that has only virtual methods. So there are no complete methods, there are only virtual methods. Okay, only pure virtual methods, sorry. And pure abstract class is a class that has only pure virtual methods, right? So the rule goes for it the same. Like, it cannot we cannot create an object of the abstract class, and they must be inherited and implement those methods inside a child class. Okay, so the pure abstract classes are known as interfaces inside in C++. So there is no specific interface keyword inside C++, but the pure abstract classes are known as interfaces. The idea is the same, and